Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at Cadjpy. This one has been a very tricky one to look at, but I think I've grasped the bigger picture, and I think I've got an idea that could actually work out for the long run. So what I had to look at was the two consolidation zones, and this is actually a massive consolidation on a higher time frame, and it could look something like this: really choppy, indecisive, no real clear market decision being made. So as we step lower to lower time frames, we can see this expanded out. I've drew this here because on a lower time frame you could actually trade this in between. Again, this was a very long term, this was just a very range bound market. Now again, this was looking at this point in the market, this was a higher time frame consolidation, but this is spread out on the 4 hour. And as you can see, we've just been bouncing in between. Now, what I've managed to draw is a wedge pattern within this range, and you can see how price has just been able to respect it from the upside and to the lower side. Now, in terms of this breakout, which is significant, I am looking out for further upside opportunity. So if I was to just draw a general trend line just to give you a guidance, we could see price, respect this trend line and make its way up to our next zone. And I'll show you exactly where this zone comes into confluence. But essentially, this zone is roughly at about just under 85 on the dot. So we could see price run into this area, and this is where I expect price to run into. And it's essentially this high here. So I think we could tap into this and make its way all the way up into this region in the market. And again, we could be looking out for some weakness to the upside. That's if we start to see failure to push any higher, and then we could have a huge break to the downside, which there is a lot of opportunities to make money in this pair in the long run. Again, if we do find that weakness, I am looking to target all the way back down here, so 74. So again, that's a lot of pips to cover. So that's why I wasn't too worried about this pair, because once we find the bigger picture and where momentum is going, we can just ride the easy part of the trend. So the upside to the zone is around just over 300 pips, and then to the downside, if we were to target 74, so 1,000 pips. So again, there's a lot of opportunity here in the long run. So yeah, we'll see exactly how this plays out over the next few days or so, or weeks. And yeah, this is just the general bias where I'm going to look at. So if there is any updates, I will update this video for you guys. If you're new to this channel, we do have a trading group that you can join. Link is in the description. If you do have any other questions, I'm more than happy to answer as well. So just leave those questions in the comment section below. And of course, guys, make sure you're subscribed. I do appreciate your time for watching. And of course, if you do have anything you want to discuss with me personally, follow my Instagram, which is that link in the description also as well. So thank you very much for listening, guys, and we'll see you all into the next video.